Welcome back. This will be part 3, and for this we will increase the first stitch again. So we knit and we purl the first stitch, then knit 2 stitches together. So we're going through 2 stitches on the front, and we knit them as this would be only 1 stitch. Then yarn over and knit 2 stitches together. Yarn over and knit 2 stitches together. And yarn over, and so on until you have 3 stitches left. So this was the decrease. Now yarn over, put the yarn to the front and take off the last 3 stitches. Then turn your work, and for the back row we knit the first 3 stitches, and then we purl all the other stitches until we have 1 stitch left. And our last stitch will be a knit stitch, of course. So and then you repeat these 2 rows until you have 54 stitches at all. So until you have here 54 stitches. In some rows you will have only 1 stitch before your I-cord stitches, which you slip. And in this case you just make your yarn over after your decrease, and then you just knit this last stitch, and that's it. So you don't have to decrease or yarn over here, just knit the last stitch, and then you can take off these last 3 stitches and then turn your work and continue to knit as usual for the back row. So you knit them the first 3 stitches and then just purl all the others on the back row. So this is how your work should look like, and these are 54 stitches on our needles. Super nice mesh pattern. Yeah, and now we're going to finish this section, and we're going to knit section number 4, and it's actually the same as section 2, but I will show you one more time. So you increase the first stitch, you knit and purl the first stitch, and then you knit all the stitches until you have 3 stitches left. And then you bring the yarn to the front and slip the last 3 stitches to the next needle, and then turn your work. Knit the first 3 stitches. And purl all the other until you have 1 stitch left. And then just knit the last stitch, and That's our section number 4, and you should have 55 stitches at all on your needles. So yeah, I hope you liked the knit along. Happy knitting. Hope you enjoy our color gradient yarns, and until next time, bye bye.